Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to do a force restart on Samsung Galaxy Watch. So here is my Galaxy Watch 6 and if your watch doesn't respond to any command and you want to restart or reboot, it is very easy. You need to push and hold these two buttons, the power button and the back button, and I will show you how to do it. So push it and keep pushing. Just keep pushing. And now remove your fingers and that's all. Now your watch will reboot. You need to wait for a few seconds. Okay, and now I'm back. And now you can use your watch, and seems that everything is fine. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.